channel. So today I went for a shopping today, as today it's Sunday, so I thought to make a vlog, but then I realized that there's nothing so special to do a vlog about it. So I thought, why not share you a shopping haul video which I have done today. So I just went today to Westside shopping mall, and then I realized there were no much collections to show off in any kind of videos or to make any such kind of vlogs. So I thought, let's just choose some products, then again I'll do some kind of vlogs if there was any kind of new collection in further in future whenever possible. So I just wanted to share you a few dresses which I purchased from Westside today. And also I went to Reliance Trend to check out a few collection because I was not satisfied with Westside collection, so that's the reason, like traditional collection. So I decided to go to Reliance Trends and then choose few outfits for myself. So the first product which I have purchased from Reliance Trends is this kurti. So this is this black kurti right here. It's a long kurti, long gown kurti. It has a belt over here, and also there is a tiny detailing over here. And also it's a very long length. Also it contains pocket, I guess, because the one which I tried earlier had pockets. Okay, unfortunately this do not. Oh no, yeah, it does contain pocket, which is a one benefit. And I'll just show you a haul right now. And okay, the size which I purchased is medium, and the brand is Fusion. I guess this is a new brand which was running in Reliance Trend store. So this is the one which I like, because I really I have worn such kind of kurtis which had flower prints and batik prints. So I thought those were kind of outdated, and I thought to purchase this. And also as this is black in color, and I thought this would match my complexion. So this is one dress. And also I have purchased another normal yellow kurti, not yellow actually, it's a lime yellow kurti. It's something like this. It's a very plain kurti actually. Sorry, it's not ironed or something, but yeah, sorry for this, please ignore it. But you can see it has nice detailing by giving these buttons. Okay, and that's it. It's very simple kurti, and also it has some kind of design like this over here. If you can see, there's a design. I think it's not visible, but it's visible backside, and it's also visible in front. Okay, it's a very plain kurti, and this brand is again from Fusion, and the size is L. Actually I did not try this product, so मैंने बस ऐसे ही टूका मार के एक L size का ले लिया था. Okay. And the next which I have purchased is the top from Westside. It's a western top, western shirt actually. So this is that top. Okay, and it has this pockets like this. So it really looked very good on me. It has this Chinese collar over here, and I think this is a new brand which is in Westside mall, which is Wardrobe brand, and the size was size is M. Yeah, the size is M. Okay, so I'll just show you these three outfits. I'll just show you to try on all right now. also the haul and also the outfits which I purchased from Westside and Reliance Trends. So the one which was my favorite is this top. I really don't have this color. It's not actually a top. Yeah, it's actually a top come blouse. So I never had this color of blouse, and it actually complement this jeans which I purchased from. Sorry, I did not provide the information from where I purchased this jeans. So this is a straight with jeans, ripped jeans which I purchased from Myntra. The brand is Flying Machine. So it actually complemented this particular top, and I really loved it. And the next and how come I can forget the cosmetic section which I have purchased. I purchased few lipsticks from Westside. So yes, I'll show you the lipstick shades right now. Okay, so I thought some, yeah, so I have kept my all the lipsticks which I purchased from Westside actually in this set, this bag. So I just one is missing. Okay, yeah. So the first shade which I purchased, I really don't know if these lip stains had any kind of shade. So the brand is Studio West. Studio West Intensified Matte Lip Paint Lip Color, and the shade is it's 2.5 ml, and it's the shade is IT01 Bold, if you can just see. Okay, so and the shade is, I'll just swatch it right now. It's a very beautiful shade. Okay, so I really love this shade, and also the packaging. It's really awesome, guys. This is the packaging. So the next shade which I purchased from Westside, the next shade which I purchased from Westside is this. This is a Studio West Disco Diva. I'm so sorry, Disco Diva Luxe Matte Lip Color. So these are nude. If you are aware of Kylie lip shade, so this is one of that shade lip color. So yeah, this is it. I'll just show you the shade of this right away. It's a completely nude shade. I don't know if the camera is capturing or not. So I'll just show you right away. It has a little of sweet smell, so not that bad. So this is the shade. Okay. And this is the beautiful packaging, guys. Yeah, so the most interesting thing which happened today in West side was that so I have purchased these two lip shades of these two lip shades which is costing around 700 1400. These two were costing around 1300 to 1400. So the sale boy has informed me, if you purchase any kind of products which is ranging above 795, then you will get a free lipstick which is costing of 275 rupees. So they have asked me to select the shade of whichever you have liked. So I have purchased this shade which is MPC32. So it's an orange shade with red undertone. So this is, yeah, so the most interesting thing which happened today in West side was that so I have purchased these two lip shades of these two lip shades which is costing around 700 1400. These two were costing around 1300 to 1400. So the sale boy has informed me, if you purchase any kind of products which is ranging above 795, then you will get a free lipstick which is costing of 275 rupees. So they have asked me to select the shade of whichever you have liked. So I have purchased this. So guys, sorry, I'm showing the packaging this way because earlier the packaging was not getting captured. So yeah, so this is the packaging of the lipstick. Sorry, why is it not getting focused? So yeah, this is the packaging, guys. and the cost is 275 rupees. And I'll just show you the shade right away. So this is the shade. It's a orangey shade, and this is the actual color. Yeah. This was the first one. Actually, it was not capturing the color earlier, but this is the right shade of it. This time it's capturing the right shade of that lipstick. And this one is the second one, which is the Disco Diva. And this one was the first one, Intensify Matte. And this is the Studio West lipstick. So yeah. So that's all for today's videos, guys, and hope you like the video. And in case if you like this video, guys, then do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment to the videos. And also if you like any of such outfits and the lip tint, then you can please comment on the videos. It would be lovely to see your comments. And also I'm planning to do many more vlogs coming up, and Diwali makeup, maybe not more than one or two, but yeah, I'll try to do one or two makeups for Diwali. So let's see how it's gonna be, how's my schedule gonna be. So I'm trying my best to keep my vlogs and videos keep uploading in the YouTube's world, but as I'm keeping busy, so however I'll try my best. So hope you guys liked my today's videos, and if then, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.